Are you having fun, Shelby?
Heck yeah, I'm having fun.
So tell us what's happening in the refining pen.
He's listening to my hands, and I usually can't get it like that. A minute ago, he was getting it.
Well, hello, Gato. I said hey.
That is the first time I was working him on the corners real good, and I mean, he usually goes real fast, and I mean, he was taking his time, he was crossing his feet good. So then I kind of just stopped him, petted on him, and I did this, and I kind of squeezed him, and he was just going every which way. And he was going, and that's the first time.
It's fun, isn't it?
Yeah, it's fun. I was doing it. I was like, Kendra! Kendra! And you couldn't hear me, and I was like, Kendra!
It's
And
because you're rocking out.
I know.
Okay, so show us a little bit more. Slow it down a little bit. Okay, now you're just showing off.
Look at him.
Check
go.
it out. We never thought when this horse got to Gold Buckle that he would be here at this level. He was so afraid of everybody, and he was so mistrusting. It's just been fun to watch him. So, good job.
Thank you.
High five.